So probably ang pinakatanong na ngayon, okay Sir Derek, ano ba ang layer at materials na kailangan namin gamitin para sa roof garden? Napakasimple lang na to. Kailangan lang natin ng tamang materials. Number 1, yung substrate, yung nasa illustration. Number 2 is yung tile adhesive na gagamitin natin para dumikit si Blackout 40 membrane. I have to remind you, yung Blackout 40 ay pang underlayment. Para sa overlapping, ayan, sa mga dulo at kailangan mong overlap, you need at least 10 cm na overlap. And you need to use handy fixed grip, which is a hybrid adhesive, para mag-band yung overlap kasi hindi po pwede didikit ang tile adhesive. So meron akong example na hawak Meron tayong Blackout DS drainage sheet. Kaya siya tinawag na Blackout DS drainage sheet dahil meron siyang embossed. After dito, meron siyang filter membrane. What happens is that kung nandun yung waterproofing membrane mo sa baba, ipapatong lang natin to. Ayan, napakasimple, no? So after nito, ilalagay mo na yung soil and then natural grass or yung shrubs. Ang ginagawa nitong Blackout DS drainage sheet is that yung filter, it prevents the soil para barahin yung drainage sheet. So yung water will flow through the drainage sheet and goes to the drain. Ngayon, probably tanong nyo, Sir Derek, paano mo idudugtong sa ibang Blackout DS drainage sheet? Well, basically, para lang siyang Lego, no? Tapos you can overlap it and then lagay mo na yung soil and then lagay mo na yung mga tanim natin. Pinaka-termination lang niya, sa dulo, you can place yung mga rocks, parang effect, and then yung water magde-drain na lang palabas.